On behalf of the Bishops of Australia, I am delighted to both welcome and encourage each of you as members of the Marist family on this important occasion, the National Assembly of the Marist Association of St Marcel Champagne. I understand that this weekend gathering is the culmination of a discernment process that began back in June, with 2 online forums already being held. Generations of Marist brothers and those who identify more broadly as Marists have made and continue to make a significant contribution to the broader Australian Church. This is done through Marist Schools Australia, Marist Youth Ministry, Marist Solidarity, Marist Mission and Life Formation, Marist 180, and the many other ministries of outreach to those on the peripheries of society, particularly the young. As the Marist Association, you are a vital part of the spiritual family that underpins this ongoing work. You each bring a wonderful Marist presence to the Church and to the world through your witness to a living spirituality and a vibrant expression of community. This, your 3rd National Assembly, is a precious opportunity to be present to the promptings of the Spirit in and through each other, as well as through prayer and attentive listening to the Word of God. It is a time to listen, discern and celebrate, whether you are participating in person or online. As such, it is a great demonstration of the synodal process to which Pope Francis is calling us as the Church. My prayer is that this weekend will provide you with clear and concrete future directions that are true to the legacy of St Marcel. I wish you well for an inspired and spirit-filled encounter.